Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. So the given question is, evaluate the following: cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So guys, it looks like the question is again a very simple and very straightforward one. We need to remember the trigonometric table. If we remember the trigonometric table, then easily we can replace the values and we can get the answer. Now let me put down the question here. The given question is here like cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So guys, I always like used to tell that do not try to remember each and everything. Just remember the cos and sine values. If you remember the cos and sine values, then definitely we can extract other values. Okay, let's see what we are doing here. Okay, so let me first of all put down the values here. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Everything I am getting or I am taking from the table itself. Now sec 30 degree. So what is sec 30 degree? Let's say I don't know what is sec 30 degree. I only know what is cos and what is sine 30 degree. So sec 30 degree is nothing but 1 by cos 30 degree. Okay. So that is equal to cos 30 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2. So I can write 1 by root 3 by 2. Or that is equal to 1 into 2 by root 3. So that is equal to 2 by root 3. So guys, we got the value for sec 30 degree as 2 by root 3. Similarly, let us find out the value of cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is nothing but 1 by sine 30 degree. Okay, and we very well know that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So I can write 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 into 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. So guys, now we are able to find out the values of cos 45 degree as 1 by root 2, sec 30 degree as 2 by root 3, cosec 30 degree as 2. Now let us replace these values in the respective places and see what exactly we are getting. But before that, let us do one thing. Here it is sec 30 degree of plus cosec 30 degree. Let us first of all solve this one also. So sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree, that is equal to, let us replace these values here. Sec 30 degree is nothing but 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree as 2. Okay, now this one I can write, taking root 3 as the LCM, I can write this one as 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. This is what I am getting the value for sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree as 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. Now let us come to the question. Question is like cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. That is equal to, I can write cos 45 degree as 1 by root 2 upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree, I can write 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3, or that is equal to, I can write 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Guys, just solving this equation. I am just solving this equation, doing nothing else. So I got this one as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this I can write, let me erase this and let me write it here. Okay, so this upon solving I can get root 3 upon root 2, because this is what we have. So root 2 into 2 is nothing but 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Hope guys you understood this, how we are calculating this one. Just multiplying root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So I got root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. This is what I got. Now guys, it is always advisable, if we get a root value in the denominator, it is always advisable to take out that root, so that we are not left any root values in the denominator. We should move the root values to the numerator. So for doing that, what we will do here we have 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Let us multiply 2 root 2 plus, let us multiply 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, so that we can get a square minus b square method, and we can easily replace these values. So what I will do 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, this is what I am getting. And if you see here, it is a plus b into a minus b, and here it is like a minus b. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So now that is what I am going to do here. So I will now solve this one like root 3 2 into root 2. This one is nothing but 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. Hope you understood, like root 3 into root 2 is root 6, root 3 into root 6 is 2 root 18. Now again the below one we can get is, I can write this denominator part a square minus b square, because 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. That means a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So this is nothing but 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 square, which is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, now this one I can write, this one is in the above I can take 2 as a common, and I can write 2 root 6 minus root 18 in the numerator thing part. And in the denominator, what I am going to do is, here you could see that 2 root 2 square. So 2 into root 2 into 2 into root 2. Similarly, minus 2 root 6, sorry, we are having like this one. Similarly, we can get 2 into root 6 into 2 into root 6. Okay, now that is equal to 2 root 6 minus root 18 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we are left with 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. And similarly here we are left with 2 2s are 4, and again root 6 into root 6 is 6. 4 6 are 24. So guys, I am left with 8 minus 24. So this one is nothing but 2 root 6 minus root 18 upon 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24 is nothing but, I can there are two ways, like 8 I can that is like minus 16 also. Let me note it down, minus 16. So 16 is 2 8s are 16. So I got root 6 minus root 18 by minus 8. Okay, now up to here we are very clear. Root 6 minus root 18 upon minus 8. Now let us remove this minus. So what will happen if we want to remove this minus? Now let me multiply minus 1. I am doing in a very simple way, straightforward way, so that if people can understand. So I want to remove this minus. So I am multiplying minus 1 in the numerator as well as minus 1 in the denominator. Okay. So guys, that is what I am doing here. So minus 1 into root 6 is nothing but minus root 6, and minus 1 into minus root 18 is plus root 18 upon minus 1 into minus 8 is plus 8. Just now in the next step I will just rearrange this one. So we will get 18 minus root 6 by 8. Just I rearranged this equation. So what I got, root 18 minus root 6 by 8. Now guys, just one or two more steps, nothing more than that. So what we will do here, you could see that it is root 18. Root 18 is nothing but I can write as 3 into 3 into 2. Hope you understood. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, minus root 6 upon 8. This one is root 3 into root 3 is 3. So I am left with 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3, so I have to move 3 outside and we are left with root 2 only. So I wrote this one as 3 root 2 minus root 3 by 8. Guys, this is our answer only. This is the answer. This is what the book or the question desired. They desired that this should be our answer. The answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This is very straightforward and very easy. The only thing is that we need to keep in mind that if we are getting a root value in the denominator, we should try to remove that root from the denominator and we need to move it to the numerator. That thing keeping in mind, we definitely can move in a positive direction and we can solve this equation. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.